Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. Gonna have some oven chips tonight, that simple. I've got some hot dogs that I've still got to use up, so I've got 4 of them as well. I've got a couple of rashers of bacon left over. Gonna have a couple of eggs. And of course I'm gonna have some cheese with it. Something else as well. What have I forgotten? Oh, of course, the jalapenos. I've nearly run out, to be fair, but there's probably enough in there to do the job, I think. And I might have a bit of, I've still got a bit of my Tiger Bloomer, so I'll probably have a bit of that as well. And I don't know, chips, bacon, hot dogs, eggs. How do you like your eggs? Do you like them runny, or do you like them firm, or what? Okay, I'm going to crack on with it. So the bacon, I'm just going to plonk it in some water and cook it. It's supposed to draw out a lot of the fat and help it cook more evenly. Have you ever cooked bacon this way? Have you tried it? I actually think it makes it a bit more crispy. But yeah, you have to let me know. Leave it in the comments if you tried it or not. And what they suggest you do is just cook it in it. But I think what I done last time, I cooked a lot of the fat out of it, dashed it, all that fat. So yeah, I'll just let that go for a minute. Air fry 200, 20 minutes. A few chips in there, probably 2 minutes. A few out. Okay. Go. So that's that cooking. Yeah, look at that. It's a bit weird, isn't it? So all the white is just the fats out of the bacon. But when you cook it, it's got more crunch to it. Gives it a better taste, I think. I tried cooking it this the other day and put it on a short, and it was bacon was really nice, to be fair. So I'm going to move that from there to there, from there to there. I'm just going to put the bacon in there like that. So it definitely cooks more evenly. Smash them in there. Back in the freezer somewhere. Just there then. Right at the window. Oh. Squeaky cupboard. The hot dog's rolling a bit. And that's still recording. And Chips have still got 15 minutes left. So I'll just give them a move around. Coming on, I'm just going to move that back a bit and just cook the eggs in there. There's the eggs. Just move the bacon from there. Just pop them on top of the hot dogs. Look at that. So there's bacon and the hot dogs are still there. Just browning them up a bit. Chips have got 10 minutes. It's coming on. Yeah, getting there. Still a bit lively. I'll just give them a little flip. I'll get it all over. There goes one egg anyway. So, how do you like your eggs? I like mine cooked. Not overly cooked, but it's still cooked. That's it. So that's looking good for me. Eggs still cooking. Hot dogs are done. Bacon looks cooked, so I'll move that onto there. Lovely. Hot dogs look well and truly cooked. Overcooked if anything, but it might be alright. I think what I'm going to do is transfer them into a just transferring into a bowl. There's hot dogs used up. So I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of cheese in there. Chuck a few of them in there. This is where I might start coughing because of the because of all that goodness. Chips are about cooked. Sweet. That's it there. That's just melting. Seems to be sticking quite well to that, doesn't it? That's that. Get rid of that. And then what I do is slap one of them on there. Like that. Move that around a bit. Try and pick up all them lovely bits. Hopefully that should have been melted into there. A bit like that. Oh. Plenty of cheese in there. few hot dogs, a couple of bits of that bacon, and I might even have a bit of egg over top, and to top that off, a bit of bread. So, yeah, it looks promising, that. I mean, what did I have in it yesterday? Bacon, hot dogs, cheese, wasn't it? No egg. Chips are about cooked. Let's just pause that a minute. Chips are there, done. So, hot dogs, egg, jalapenos, cheese, bacon. There's one bit. Well, it's kind of falling apart, but you get the drift. I'll be eating that. Only a second. Thank you for watching the video if you made it this far. I hope you like it. Leave a comment if you like it. But I need to stock up on some more jalapenos. I have to get up pasta and see if there's a sale on, eh? Buy a few pots. Just some chips, crinkle cut. And yeah, right. So, there it is. Bacon, egg, hot dogs, and cheese, jalapenos, chips, tiger, fresh cut bread. Bit of chef brown sauce. Bit of Vimto, ice and lemonade. Bit of that. See that hot dog? There we go. Try the bacon, it's worth a try. Ain't gonna lose nothing, it's still gonna be bacon. Mm. 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 I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.